Hi, I'm Kevin.
I'm Yitao.
I'm Renxiang.
We choose to do the Track B, a network sensor control game. The name of our game is Texas Hold'em.
Okay, and then we can start the game. Yeah, we press the start game button and enter the different player ID and share the same seed.
Okay, what's the seed?
471.
471.
478.
78. Yeah, we're in the same game now.
Mm-hmm. And we can shake the phone and continue each card one by one. And then, yeah. Again, okay. And now it says the winner is the tie.
So we are tied up at this game.
Mm-hmm. And we can just restart the button. Click the restart button. Yeah. We can try another one.
Okay, what's the new seed?
The new seed is 475.
475.
910.
910. Okay. Well. So
yeah, and do the same thing. Shake the phone.
Well, it seems like Reixiang's card is a little bit weak, so he can choose to fold.
Yeah, try to fold it. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the.
And we should click the next round, and then we can see the winner is us. That is a player 2. Yeah, because we only have the 2 players. If one player just give up, the game just ends.
Okay.
This ThingSpeak page shows our code message channel. Field 1 is the action code, such as next round, float, or restart. Field 2 is the current round number. Field 3 is the player ID, showing whether player 1 or player 2 sent the move. Field 4 is a random message ID used to make each message unique.
Okay, so we got a lot of file in this app. So the first file I want to talk is the createdeck.m. So we will create 52 cards, and we use the letter and number to present each card, and then we will random them. And the second file is the dealcards.m. This file is used to give the cards to the players, the 2 players, and the 5 cards for the public, and hide them in the beginning until you just flip them. And the third one is the card2string.m. So this one will change the card into the string, which we can just read it. For example, 14 plus S will change to the AS. And the fourth one is the evaluate hand. So it is the core judgment system. It can depend each card's combination and give you a score used to compare. So that's the most important one. And the fifth one is the compare hands.m. So you just compare the different number and find the biggest one. So the biggest one is the higher score. And the network messenger.m and generators, those 2 is the MATLAB ThingSpeak. So one person update the action and the other will get the data. It's related to network something. And the other one is use the square root function to get a vector and the minus 9.81, which is the gravity acceleration. And we set the threshold to the 2 and the cooldown time to the 2. So it is used to prevent we just skip too much time in just 1 second, because we shake our phone, and if we don't have the cooldown time, it will just skip all the things. And we also have something to test it. The file called a test generate detector, and 2 MAT file with is to test the phone shakings. And the final one is the MLAPP, which is the top file.
For the quantitative result, the first stream had 12 intentional shake, and our detector found all 12. So the true positive rate was 100%. The second stream was a quick test with the function resting still. The detector produced 0 false trigger, so the false positive rate was 0. For the ThingSpeak passing, our average time was about 4.6 seconds. across 5 trails. For the lesson we learned, one lesson we learned is that sensor input, game logic, GUI update, and networking should be separate early. When they are mixed together inside app designer callback become more hard, especially with timer and sync speak running at the same time.